Marketing agency owners, here is how to build custom audiences for your outreach campaigns just using Google Maps data. Why would you want to do this? Well, maybe your client just wants to target small coffee shops along Main Street. So these are small businesses that you would not usually find on databases like Apollo or ZoomInfo. Here is how to use AI workflows and clay integrations to build custom audiences using Google Maps data. Let me show you how.
All right, so for us to do this, we're going to go to clay.com. We're going to create a new table, and we're going to use the find local businesses using Google Maps option here, and we're going to provide it with some sort of input to start. So you could do an address, you could do a postal code. In this case, we're going to do a postal code because I'm here in Canada, and we can set the proximity radius, so we can adjust that. And from here, we're going to go business types, right? And then we then have to select the types of business types that we want. So let's just say, for example, we're looking for gas stations, and for this case here, let's just say we want just 25 businesses, and then we can continue. And we want to make this into a new table. So what the system is really doing is it's going on Google Maps and it's finding all of the companies that fit our criteria. And as you can see here, we have 7-Elevens, we have gas stations, we have all of these businesses that fit the specific thing I'm looking for. And these are the websites associated with them. And also these are their phone numbers associated with them, and also the address, their Google ratings, and their review counts. So this is a very good place to start. But let's just say I want to enrich this data more. I want to know more about these businesses so I can personalize my outreach to them. So what I can do here is I can add enrichments, and I can say I want to scrape their websites. So I want to scrape their websites and get some additional information. So I can click on this scrape website integration here. And then the input for this website will be the domain name, which I already have from the first workflow. And then here is the output feed. So I get to select what I want to see in the output feed. So for example, I want to see a description maybe. All right, so that's a good information. If there's any email addresses found on the website, I want to know them, as well as let's see here, any additional phone numbers and any social media links, if possible. I want to know all of those information. And then I can then continue to add to the field, and then I have to select exactly what I want to see, and I can just go and I will run this view. Now, what the AI system is really doing is it's scraping the website of all of these companies, and wherever possible, it's finding out all the information that I need. It's looking at the description of the website that is in the website and giving me all the additional details I need. So, but let's just say I'm not happy with all this information. I want more information, and I want to find their Instagram account. So what I can do is I can add column here and then click on add enrichment, and I go Instagram. So here, find company profile of their Instagram. So I can click on that enrichment, and then I would provide the input, which should be the company domain name, which I already have website here, and also the company name. I'm just going to run this right now and then see what kind of Instagram account information it can provide. So now I have a lot of information about this companies just based on providing the input of the Google Maps. These are just some of the little things we can do with a very simple AI workflow using clay integration. All right, that's it.